Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making Christmas sausage rolls. These are sausage rolls that have cranberry and brie in them, and they are super good and aren't really that strange when you think about it. Most of us, when we eat a sausage roll, will eat it with either tomato ketchup or brown sauce. So rather than dunking it into something sweet, I'm having that sweetness inside. So I'll start off here with some puff pastry. It's an all butter puff pastry. Just unroll that. And then I have, this is just 300 grams of good quality sausage meat. You can, if you're doing this at other times of year or whatever, for whatever reason it may be, you can't get sausage meat, use a good quality sausage and just squeeze them out of their cases. So all I want to do is to form this into a long cylinder that is pretty even as well. Or as even as I can get it. Okay, so that's pretty much perfect. So now for the cranberry part, this is just a homemade cranberry sauce. You can of course use one out of a jar. If you want to know how to make cranberry sauce, just check out the link above. So that's 75 grams of cranberry sauce here. Push it right to the edges, want everything going. You really want to get a bit of everything in every bite. Last ingredient is some brie. So I'm just going to slice this into thin slices. You can place it on top, right to the edges again. Some may escape out the edges, but don't worry about it. I don't let it bother me, don't let it bother you. And this is all it. This just requires 50 grams of brie, so it's great as well for using up some of the Christmas cheeses. You use up the cranberry sauce that's left over from Christmas, everything. So it's a great recipe for all that. And that's almost it. All I need now is an egg. With a quick whisk. You can use a fork, whatever tool or implement you've got. I do prefer to do this as one large sausage roll than individual ones because you run less risk of it escaping out the sides, whereas if they're all individually cut, you've got many more edges for things to escape. And I think it looks better and more inviting this way as well. Turn this round. Just roll it over. Press in quite tightly. Trim off this excess. Now you can really do anything you want here. It can go in just like this. You can press it here with the edge of a fork to make it look nicer. I, however, am doing neither of those today, and I am just going to transfer it to my tray. I have to go diagonally so it fits. And we'll just brush the top now again with some of the beaten egg. This is the sort of thing I like to eat when it's a bit late and I'm getting hungry again and I just need a quick snack. Is this and some mustard? All I need. Add a sprinkle of sea salt. And since it's Christmas, I'm going to sprinkle over some dried sage as well. So that's it, it's ready for the oven. I just stick this into a preheated 180-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes, and that's it. The sausage roll's ready. I transferred it to a board just to let it cool slightly because it's better when it's not straight from the oven. Just get myself a plate. Perfect. Can you see? Have to have some mustard along with it. That's so good. So guys, if you like this recipe, as usual, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to finish off my sausage roll.